Hi, we are Midnightdeal, the only gamified marketplace where you can book a hotel at the price of your choice. My name is Lucas and I'm the founder and CEO of the company.
And I'm Thomas, Midnightdeal's CCO and co-founder.
Did you know that there is over 2 million hotel rooms in Europe that remain unsold and empty every night? Hotel room supply and demand is drifting apart, and this is where we come in. Our concept is simple. As soon as you have found your favorite hotel on Midnightdeal, you'll set your desired price on a price slider. Emojis then indicate of how likely it is that your price will be accepted by the hotel. And at midnight, we will notify you if the price was accepted or not. And if you're that impatient kind of person, no problem. You can book any time with Midnightdeal at our already discounted instant book rate.
That's right, Lucas. We already have more than 500 hotels in our portfolio, and we aim to have more than 1,500 by the end of the year. We offer affordable luxury, meaning 4- and 5-star hotels only. From independent mountain hotels in the Alps to boutique hotels in cities such as Venice, Berlin, Amsterdam, or resort hotels in sunnier destinations such as Croatia, Spain, Portugal, Greece, you name it, we've got them all. With our marketplace, we're able to tap into a liquidity gap that's worth more than 20 billion euros per year. In Europe alone, that's money that is unused, sitting in each and one of our pockets that Midnightdeal has exclusive access to.
Midnightdeal generated millions of revenue for hotels, and through the corona pandemic we grew 200%, and we're now almost 100,000 members strong. Midnightdeal follows a mobile-first approach, meaning that nearly 70% of our bookings are made on a mobile device. And all of this, we wouldn't be able to do that without you. So thank you very much for your support.
We're giving you a chance to join Midnightdeal's future and own a share of your favorite deals platform. The funding will be used to scale into new markets like the UK and the Netherlands, to consolidate our existing markets, and to add hyper-personalization and a top-notch loyalty program to the mix.
Now is the time to join Midnightdeal, because the Millennials and the GenZ are spending more money on travel than ever before due to the pent-up demand caused by the COVID pandemic, and simply because they can.